Alright guys, so for today's video, we are in Jensen wearing our NDMU uniform. Yay! Tabuk pa! Jean's channel! Welcome to our channel. I'm Jean's channel also because I'm Luan Jean. So today we're going to the Oval in Jensen. We don't know, we have no money at all because we're surprised, we're shocked that the food here is very expensive. My best friend here is so pretty. We're here at the Oval and we're there. We're going in, we have no money, but you know, God will provide. We're gonna hunt money here. Yeah, I love it, I love it. So, nabili namin sa panahon. Kaya naguna na sila, glakaw. Time check,
it's... Wait lang guys. 8:20 guys.
Oh, diba?
So, but...
Patagid ko sa akong pamilya. Kumabalan na lang
kami,
ako. What if masugatan ako akong family here? What will I do? I think I will just hug them. Because I miss them. And so, it's impossible to see them here.
For this video, we're gonna buy something. Anong
what
something?
What are you gonna buy? You don't have money at all. You don't even have
God will provide.
1 peso. Here is our mamang. Okay, mamang. Also, how are you today? Sorry na full storage ang iPad. Bago lang mi tapos exam, tapos nagdiretso dahil mi sa Jensen. Wow, what time is it now? Wala kami nakabiyahe. Lord, igabayan nyo kami sa aming pag... Sorry ulit, kay na full storage. Pero ari na, it's final. Hey, guys. Okay, so what do you feel? How do you feel like, how do you feel? Tonight. Wow, like the English is very limited right now.
Oh, it's limited edition.
Limited edition.
Blind
Because,
box.
so you have to pay for it. So yeah. Diba? Subscription.
Subscribe guys.
Magkano per month? 100.
This is my channel. It's Jean channel without the Z.
Kasi yung jeans
Jean Jeans is her mother. But the Jean channel is me.
masarap ako.
We love it here. Like,
250 lang.
look at the... I hope that someone will libre us. Or I hope that someone will ligaw Roxin here and buy us Dunkin' Donuts.
Guys, welcome to my vlog. So, halain man mag-vlog tong dalawa guys. So, kami na lang ni Roxy.
Pinash kami, hindi pa.
Oh.
channel. Oh, Jean amin, ano inyo?
Pero si channel.
C channel.
C channel. Mag-vlog.
Ayan, karo.
Kasi yan. Oh, I love that
I
instrument.
love the energy. I love the effort.
I love the effort.
Whoa.
Whoa. So big, right?
My gosh, majestic swans.
Oh my gosh. So majestic. I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
We're gonna use magical na lang.
Magical na lang?
Magic.
It's a magical carnival. Okay ka din lang kay clown ka lang.
Hindi ako natutuwa, hindi ako nang titrip sa inyo. Tigilan.
Joke! It's a joke!
Clown ka talaga.
Uy, may durian. Her favorite, mamang's favorite.
Ulam.
Oh!
Buzzer, wala
Ulam. Yan, durian, guys.
na try, but it's so delicious.
Yuck.
No,
But I want durian
I
shake.
want lechon.
Can I borrow? Guys, look at my kilay.
Oh my gosh, that's very visible eyebrow.
So, I'm taking over the vlog, guys.
Okay, go.
Cause, ayoko na
Take
vlog.
over.
You don't know how to vlog like me. I know
Because,
how to vlog.
ito yung future namin.
Jean channel.
Jean channel.
Coming back na lang ni guys kaya wala na ako
Take over.
Ah, ikaw take over. Jean channel gyapon na.
Welcome to my vlog. It's Jean channel without
Jean
Without-
channel number 2.
as imo jeans. Akon, mamang jeans. Akon jean.
Dili uy, pareho lang tanga channel.
Ay, oo,
Same
parehas.
channel lang tayo, same video lang.
Wow, yes. Yeah. Ipopost na namin ito sa YouTube. Hindi alam ni Sahara na pinasok ko to sa aking ilong at may pong ito.
Yak! What's
May-
pong it? What's pungit in English?
May sipon ito.
What's pungit in English?
Solid sipon.
No! It's boger.
Oo pala.
Matcha is color green, right? Why is it color pink? Matcha right there. Whoa. The heck?
Tumbay daw ga. Ano sa may
Kalalaking tao, sumasayaw ng opalite sa
Mika, babae na ko.
I'm offended by that. I'm so offended. I have the cleanest ponytail right now and I am called a tomboy.
Yeah.
That's
yes,
not
you
good,
are.
right? That's not good.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Kai, na putol ulit a video because of the full storage. I don't like this iPad at all. Oh, Urso.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Tita, wala ka na lang nag-medtech. Nagpulis ka na lang. So, today we're in the Ukay.
Hate yourself.
Because, ano lang you shut
Kasi
up.
wait, that
But we don't have money nga, so we're just gonna watch the Ukays. Look at my classmates going. Look at my classmates just pushing. My classmates just...
look at that.
Look at my classmates just going forward because we don't have money. Oh, look at them. They're just so hopeless. We have no money. You're so hopeless, right? And I don't know, oh, diba? No, we don't know where to go now because that's when you don't have money, you don't know where to go. Okay. Dirita mag-uban sila kay mga ano na dito?
Weirdo.
Mga weirdos. Diri nga side, mga normal. So nakugmatcha sa... Bolo ko rin Oh, she wanna try. Really, when she wants something, she's gonna, go for it. So that's her guys. She wanna try. So we will let her try this one. But first is Jimmy. Jimami is so cool. Jimmy, can you buy me matcha? Wow! Whoa! What the heck? Reaction video. Wow! Almost!
Oh my gosh, my favorite.
Calamara.
Heaven.
You want?
Yes, I want
But I'm
calamari,
so...
But I don't know if
You're full? You're not full? I'm full.
they're accepting Gcash here.
Oh my god. Diba? I told you, if she wants something, she's gonna go for it. Gonna buy it.
Oh, they're not. Oh my gosh. Jimami.
Go for Jimami.
Jimami. Pwede ba mag-cash out?
Diba?
Gani, wala niyo pwede baydan. Wala ka.
Oo, Jimami is very angry.
Nanukot na siya.
Nanukot siya. I thought she forgot about that.
everything.
Yeah. Oh, she's not gonna give Billy 50 and Billie Jean is gonna cry now because she's not gonna eat the calamaris.
Oh my gosh. Kuya, ikaw bang nag-bake niyan? Yeah, sumagot siya. Sabi niya hindi.
Kuruya. Sino yan siya? Sino siya? See you in the next video. Sorry for the delay of our outro. Sorry guys, kaya wala naman ka-video. It's because na-busy me sa among laag, Lord Jesus. Guide me, Lord.
Sig flashlight sa
Oo.
iya, ha?
And nagbaka sa ice scramble. Pauli na maato namin sa car. Flashlight. Oh, maato namin sa ato namin sa car and we're gonna go home to Marbel. From Jensen to Marbel. Ano na oras man? Uy, dili ka sa likod! Mahilo ka, di ba? Di ba lako dray?
Ako na lang sa likod.
Huwag maghabol sa sa guantay.
Bain sa itong outro na to ni.
Uy, gogo. Likod ko ba?
Uy, flashlight! Flashlight, guys! Please.
Ano ko, mama? Asala daw ko. Ano ko, nagkaon kami. Ano ni ba? Nag-wonder.
Aray!
Wala ko nang hati ka.
Masakit.
Ano ko nag...
Ayan.
Sabak na bigyan. Bilis si Tasha.